and welcome to HTML Management and Support. After watching this video, you will be able to list some HTML document API properties and methods. Describe how scripting is enabled in browsers. Describe browser support for HTML5 features. So let's examine some of the key themes of the HTML5 specification. The syntax it defines is compatible with HTML4 and XHTML1 documents. HTML5 is defined in a way that is compatible with earlier versions in the way browsers handle deployed content. It separates conformance requirements for user agents and authors. In other words, how browsers treat HTML5 code and how page authors treat HTML5 code is different. For user agents, HTML5 is defined in a way that supports elements and attributes of the earlier specifications. For authors, several elements and attributes have been removed in order to simplify the language. HTML5 includes some elements and application programming interfaces that help in the creation of web applications. Examples include video and audio elements and an API that supports the creation of offline applications. What do you think makes HTML suitable for creating web applications? There are a number of possible reasons. The range of devices that all have built-in browsers that support HTML5 features. The number of APIs that enhance the user experience, such as the advanced animation, drawings, audio, and video elements. The efficient use of HTML and CSS while reducing the number of images can lead to faster load times for rendering web pages. Search engine optimizations can use keywords that are taken from HTML attributes to improve the visibility of a website when search results are displayed. The meta tags shown are used to provide information to search engines. Here are some examples of elements in HTML5. New structural elements are part of the HTML5 specification. These markup elements help you to logically define the page structure. New APIs such as Canvas, audio, and video help with graphics and embedded content. New attributes were added to the input element attributes. Examples include the email, date time, and number types. The browser automatically validates the input field according to the input attribute, without the need for custom validation scripts. By using web storage APIs, you can store data in the browser. The Web Workers feature can be used for non-interactive processing. Web Workers provide a way to run processing-intensive tasks without blocking the user interactions to the current page. In this video, you learned about HTML5 themes, which provide syntax compatible with HTML4 and XHTML1, new and refined APIs for video and audio elements, offline web pages, and drag and drop. About HTML5 web applications, which have improved search indexing with meta tags, better page load times, enhanced user experience, and about HTML5 elements, which enable you to define and manage web page structure and content.